Hello everyone, this video I am going to show you ton of parental controls on Google Play Store using your Android phone. If you are new here to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's jump right in. First thing first, unlock your phone, open the Google Play Store application and make sure your phone is connected to a valid Wi-Fi or mobile data network. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can find your profile icon. Simply tap to open them. After this page is open, scroll down slowly. You can find the settings or similar name. Click to open them. In the settings page, locate the family option. Tap on it. After that, you can find the content restriction or similar name. Tap on it. Right now this option is turned on. If you decide to turn them off, simply tap on the toggle switch, then enter your correct pin. Once you type the exact pin, hit OK. And that's it guys, how you can easily turn off parental controls on your Google Play Store app. If you found this guide will help you, like this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.